Hello guys, welcome to today's English Home Language, Term 2, Week 3, Wednesday's work. Today we're going to do 5 things: listening and speaking, reading, writing, phonics, and handwriting. Now off to the first part, listening and speaking. For today, in listening and speaking, we're going to learn about a Venn diagram. We use a Venn diagram to compare two things, to see how they are different and how they are the same. Let's look at an example. Here we have a Venn diagram about whales and fish. Do you see that we use two circles? A Venn diagram exists of two circles. The two circles go over each other in the middle. There where they cross over each other, we write how or why they are the same. Then the other pieces that are not crossing over, that are only the one side and the other side, just the whales or just the fish, is where we write the differences. Let's look at it. Whales, different from fish, they give live birth, they breathe air, and they have hair. While fish on the other side have scales, they lay eggs, and they breathe water. Now let's look in the middle. What is the same about them? Both of them can swim, both of them live in water, and both of them have fins. Now off to the second part, reading. Today we're going to read 2 poems. The first one is I Like. I want you to read it with me. I like sunshine. I like snow. I like brown leaves when they blow. I like cookies. I like cake. I like waffles when I wake. I like collies. I like cats. I like clowns in funny hats. I like baseball. I like trains. I like sleeping when it rains. I like stories at bedtime. I like poems when they rhyme. The second poem for today is a shorter one. I like fruit. Again, please read it with me. I like apples and oranges. I like bananas and pears. I like fruit salad, and I like to share with you. Now, did you see in the previous poem, each time the end words rhymed? Now, what holds this rhyme together to make it a rhyme? If you look carefully, they don't really end with the same words or words that rhyme. But every time it has repetitive words. The words I like, I like, I like, and I like. The third part of today's work is writing. What I want you to write is I want you to make a Venn diagram about the previous 2 poems. Remember, a Venn diagram works like this. You have 2 circles. They cross over in the middle, and then in that middle piece where they are crossed over, you write how or why they are the same. At the right and left side, you write what is different about the 2 things. Remember to put your headings there as well. The name of the poem on the left, the name of the other poem on the right, and in the middle your heading will be the same. The fourth part today is phonics. For today's phonic lesson, you're going to get a short exercise. I'm going to give you 14 words. Then you must go look for the sounds that we learned. You know, like the silent e or the a-e or those ones that we learned. The words that have those sounds in it, I want you to write down and underline those sounds that you learned. The words are world, envelope, jealous, bored, male, scream, nerve, femur, spread, pelvis, float, soak, ate, and main. Now the last work piece for today is handwriting. For today's handwriting, we're going to practice cursive writing again. The first letter we're going to practice is E for egg. Now look carefully how you write it. You start from the left, you go make a loop, you go down, a little bit skew up, and then you make a new one again. The second letter for handwriting today is M for mouse. Look carefully how you write it. From the left, go skew up, like a rainbow a little bit, go down, go back up again, little bit of a rainbow, down, up, little bit of a rainbow, down, and then you go again. It's almost like you're making two heels, just like the M that we write with print script, but this time you just put a little bit of curves in the beginning and at the end. The last thing for English today is homework. Now I want you to go read for me at storyberries.com. The last piece of your homework is spelling words. Please go practice these 10 words, each 10 times. Stream, saved, reach, strong, slide, change, splash, inside, mall, and rake. Thank you very much for joining me today and can't wait to see you again. Bye bye.